Hi friends, thank you so much for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to give live mail if you submit fake certificate in Capgemini, what kind of impact will be happened, what documents they will request, how this will impact in your life, in your career path. Okay, that is the information I'm going to give live demo. So one of the users submitted fake certificate. So they requested some additional documents. If they provide that additional documents, definitely background verification will go positive directions. I don't know how they will react for this mail. And here is the live video. This is live mail. The user submitted some indirect or insufficient documents, which means fake documents. Capgemini identified and they sending the mail. So this is the mail format. They will expect some additional informations from your side. If you submit the information without any problem, definitely background verification will not go negative directions. So subject line will be clearance of Capgemini background verification check, BGV, which means background verifications. Documents required details. There are some details required. And what is the timeline? Within the timeline, you need to share the information. So if you submit any fake certificate, dual employment issues, so definitely you will be in trouble. If you are facing these kind of issues, this is the video will give you crystal clear informations. You can watch this video till end. You will get the better and clear understanding how this will impact, what documents they will request from your side, and how you need to submit the documents. Okay, so there are 5 documents usually they will ask from your side. Not only Capgemini, each and every corporate companies, they will expect 5 documents if you submit fake certificate or dual employment related issues documents. Okay, please watch this video till end. You will get the better clarifications. And my mail ID is available in this video description, and UPI ID also available. You can contact to me directly if you need solution, and I will provide you crystal clear information. And we're going to see one by one what documents they are requesting. So I'm going to scroll down. You will get the clear picture what exactly